Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don't join body with the family of late Fatima Ahmadu for the 40 days Fidau prayers for the deceased. For the Fidau, Oga Shaibu con join body with Colonel Ahmadu, wey be the mama's son, con commission 2 boreholes for Emir Cable for Isako East local government area of Edo State, where im build them to remember in late mama. After the event, Comrade Shaibu for in talk with Tori people con talk say he sympathize with mama family and he encourage them say make them stay strong and stand in to fill the gap where the death of mama Fatima create, and talk say she live life wey dey worthy of emulation, and na him make him believe say mama dey rest peacefully for God's bosom.
Colonel is our brother and is from our community, and all of them with the family, and we are very proud of him, and he's one of our finest young men that we are praying for, and one person that has been helping the community also, and children and family here. And we have come to say bye-bye and good night to Mama, and we pray that God will continue to bless all of them, Colonel Ahmadu and his sibling, that Mama demise will continue to be blessing for them. She has gone there to intercede for them, and by the grace of God, we know she's in heaven, because on earth she did a lot. She was a philanthropist. She's somebody that cared for the needy, and she not only cared for the needy, she was close to God and she did God's work. And you remember, as a Muslim, when you build a mosque, you have actually registered your name in heaven, and not just 1, 2 mosques that she has caused the children to build. So for us, she has prepared herself for heaven, and we pray that God will grant her agenda.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Isako East local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.